blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and key focal point of this cryptographic money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance accumulation specialist organization 1inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications. To give some examples, which can be based on the stage, execution of tasks under lovely explicit circumstances to in every practical sense, guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness, 1inch has acquired wonderful importance. Before we in every practical sense begin with nitty-gritty 1inch cost forecast, really take a look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch disseminated truly numerous tokens. Nonetheless, the local token 1inch became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost gauges related news began circling on the lookout. The most important component that drives development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and moderateness that empower speedier execution enhancements, bringing about quicker and in a real sense secure exchanges, which is very huge. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades in a significant way. 1inch associations. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there generally was rivalry among adversaries to trade through 1inch in light of token cost, or so they thought, as in a real sense said by Sergej Kuntz, prime supporter at 1inch organization. Presently the 1inch collection convention truly is now conveyed on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention truly are supposed to in a real sense extend over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and dealers getting to 1inch through others like Polygon benefit gigantically. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in view of token costs. The 1inch test system. The in every practical sense, previously mentioned move of trading digital currencies gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements sort of. For example, Polygon are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this in every practical sense token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the principal Ethereum blockchain. Endeavor 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized particulars to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among undertakings advancing liquidity mining. Or so they by and large thought. 1inch can in every practical sense be a productive venture choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment for the most part is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is 5 cents. In view of the in every way that really matters, most recent news updates and estimates, it is an extraordinary opportunity to especially put resources into 1inch tokens as it might truly cross $5.21 in 1 year. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our estimate, making 1inch a beneficial venture on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for 1inch on the trade, and the gauge essentially the greatest cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. In view of our 1inch future cost figure information, the token could stretch around $325.22 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.20, which is genuinely critical. At the hour of composing this crypto cost gauge, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the genuinely token has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year, with a flowing stockpile of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into account, exceptionally, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. 1inch value expectation 2023. Going by the examination of short and long-haul cost patterns, it for the most part is almost certain that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for 1inch cost for heightening, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the diagram amazingly. There is a gauge possibility of 1inch causing a misfortune, however just pitiful, dropping to $4.40. 1inch value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It in a real sense is by estimated that 1ch would for the most part lead the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that for the most part was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which generally shows 1ch can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances in contrast with other digital currencies like BTC and ETH amazingly. 1ch Value Forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year as 1ch coin cost is anticipated to in a real sense outperform $6 by all in a real sense implies, chiefly on the grounds that this year, no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it basically is guessed that the majority of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. 1ch Value Forecast 2026. It in every way that really matters isn't genuinely not exactly extraordinary news. What started with a 1ch cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark, or so they most certainly thought. Subsequently, it most certainly has supported the market feeling peculiarity definitely in a by and large significant manner. Merchants and financial backers most certainly have begun wagering on the long run for the 1ch development following its worth intently as a venture choice. Consequently, the 1ch cost expectation 2026 certainly remains very uplifting, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1ch Value Forecast past 2026. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for most certainly long-haul gain as opposed to present moment pretty because of the calculative instability a significant way. With a touch of persistence and keeping the sort of expectations high in the fundamentally long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1ch token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would really develop dramatically. By when 1ch would be not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money in a significant manner. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing cost $3.32 on the graph, making it exceptionally beneficial. Is 1ch an essentially wise venture, indeed in an unobtrusive manner? Be that as it may, a reasonable level of investment is consistently fitting to post-perusing the market diagram for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. In the event that you make a smart speculation in view of cost expectation, keep a watch on the site. Is 1ch a trick or genuine, which is genuinely huge, notwithstanding all discussions and contentions? 1ch uncovers an extremely solid and genuinely dynamic indication of a biological system for venture. You most certainly are encouraged to fastidiously follow the 1ch future value forecasts and specialized examination. Where might I at any point purchase 1ch? At the present time, you can purchase 1ch at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1ch, you should move decently your computerized monetary standards like BTC or ETH portfolio from one trade to that particular trade. This sort of is done by means of a wallet framework. For what reason?